The goal of the ClearWave system is to expedite the check-in process as well as verify a patient's insurance eligibility. Our system consists of two parts: the kiosk, where patients can check themselves in, and the portal, where staff can manually check in patients as well as manage additional patient information. The screen you will see is the screen the patient will see as he or she walks up to the kiosk. The next button at the bottom of the screen is consistently placed so patients can easily maneuver between the screens. Let's take a look at what patients will be seeing as they begin the check-in process. On this screen, you will see the ClearWave logo to the left side of the screen. It is possible to change the logo information on the left of the page so that you may customize to create a brand for your practice or facility. For example, you could include a photo of the facility, your mission statement, new services offered, hours of operation, or any other information you may want to communicate to your patients. Everything else on the page is a static image and may not be changed. Click Next to begin the check-in process. The ClearWave system is very simple and makes it easy for patients to check themselves in. The patient will place their driver's license on the card reader to be scanned. ClearWave uses an OCR scanner which will pull the following demographics: first name, last name, date of birth, and gender. New patients are required to enter insurance information, input member ID number, scan the front and back of each insurance card, and specify the relationship to the card holder. The patient will then have the option to edit their information and to make sure everything has scanned correctly. If the patient does not have a driver's license, the patient will then proceed and enter demographic information manually. If the patient is a return patient, the system will immediately recognize him or her, and their insurance information will be pulled for the patient to review and confirm. If changes need to be made, the patient will have the option to manually edit and update. Next is the HIPAA consent screen. The patient is required to sign by clicking Agree. This legally qualifies as a signature. The remaining screens are fully customizable so that the provider may ascertain any additional information they may want, including primary care physician, additional address information, additional contact information, and email addresses. As the patient completes the check-in process, the system checks eligibility and will notify the patient of his or her copayment amount. He or she may pay the amount at the kiosk by swiping his or her credit or debit card. If they wish to pay by check or cash, they may simply visit the front desk. When a patient checks in using the ClearWave kiosk, they no longer need to manually fill out paperwork, and their insurance is simultaneously verified through the ClearWave network. Through an easy-to-use touchscreen interface, patients simply enter or confirm demographic information, and ClearWave verifies their identity and their insurance benefits in real time. With the ClearWave kiosk, healthcare providers have decreased their overall patient wait times, while at the same time saved money on costly claim errors, enhancing their bottom line while improving the overall patient experience. For more information on ClearWave, please visit www.clearwaveinc.com.